Welcome to the James Fun Lab.
Hello, my name is Navathej. I am a grade 2 student at ACS International School, Doha. I live in Qatar with my family. I read about the importance of protecting nature, and at the same time I do see how much less care we are providing to clean our surroundings, control the pollution, save trees and to care for our planet Earth. This thought gave me the idea of creating an app through which all are able to challenge ourselves and better for responsibilities. Here we go to BONNE VIE, good life for all. The new users can register here. I am already registered, so logging in. This is the home screen. We can update our profile details here. In the home screen, the different tasks are arranged into daily, weekly and monthly activities. The daily activity focuses on emission control. Here, we can check our emission. Suppose I travel today on a four-wheeler for 30 kilometers using petrol with my mom. It shows emission as moderate and a suggestion to reduce 5 kilometers next time. Next are the weekly activities. Here we have cleaning a beach. If we want to add a cleaning campaign, we can add it here. Similarly, for the planting campaign, we can add it here. This is the cleaning campaign. Here also campaigns can be added. In the same way, litter disposal campaign can also be added for waste management. In the monthly activities, webinars are included. Interested participants can conduct webinars on selected topics of pollution control, environmental protection, waste recycling, and so on. Based on our challenges and how we participate, rewards will be awarded. Here we can check our rank. Knowing the position in the leaderboard further encourages the people's interest for working on different challenges. In the environmental awareness tab, new features expected to add in this app are included. This can be saving energy and waters. Using solar inverters and energy-efficient shower heads can save electricity bills and thus the energy resources. With all these attributes, the presented app will be a revolutionary one for building a healthy and safe place to survive. I'm pretty sure that the BONNE VIE will encourage all sections of the society, both kids and grown-ups, to invest their free time in nurturing the environment. Let us challenge for a beautiful future, BONNE VIE.